Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today we have something special for all the Ford fans out there, the Plasticolor 004191R01 Ford Oval Logo Enamel Keychain. This officially licensed product from Ford Motor Company is designed, manufactured and distributed by Plasticolor Incorporated, so you know you're getting the real deal. But what makes this keychain so great? Not only does it show off your Ford excitement with its iconic logo design, but it's also incredibly versatile. Use it for your house, car or office keys, or even as a zipper pull on your handbag, luggage or gym bag. The excellent graphic detailing is protected against cracking, chipping or peeling thanks to the enamel-coated finish, and the keychain itself is made of high-quality material for years of everyday use. So why not show off your individual style with this uniquely designed Ford Blue Oval keychain? It's the perfect way to display your love for Ford wherever you go. And the best part? You can get your hands on one by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out, get your Plasticolor Ford Oval Logo Enamel Keychain now. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.